Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P04DF indicates a malfunction in the evaporative emission evap system, specifically noting a high purge flow. This is typically detected when the engine control module, PCM, perceives a discrepancy between the pressure from the evaporative leak check module, ELCM sensor, versus the barometric pressure, baro sensor. Both sensors play a crucial role in monitoring the emissions from the fuel system. The high purge flow may signal issues with components that regulate the fuel vapors, leading to ineffective emissions control. Proper functioning of these components is vital for complying with environmental regulations. Diagnosing this issue involves careful inspection of several parts of the evap system, all located under the vehicle's hood, usually on the engine compartment side. DTC P04DF signifies that the evap system experiences an excessively high purge flow. The components involved include the evap canister purge valve and the evaporative leak check module. The evap canister purge valve is essential for controlling the flow of fuel vapors from the evap canister to the intake manifold during engine operation. This valve is typically housed near the engine bay, connected to both the fuel system and the intake manifold. The evaporative leak check module monitors the system's integrity, ensuring no leaks are present. When the pressure detected by the ELCM is greater than what the baro sensor reflects, the PCM will interpret this as a fault, triggering the DTC and necessitating diagnostic action. Several potential causes could result in DTC P04DF. One possibility is a malfunctioning evap canister purge valve, which may be stuck open or closed, causing incorrect vapor flow. A defect in the evap leak check module could also lead to pressure measurements that are outside the normal range. Additionally, anomalies in the pressure sensors, particularly the ELCM or baro, could mislead the PCM into identifying a non-existent problem. It's crucial to assess these components thoroughly, as an electrical or mechanical failure could compromise the entire evap system's functionality. Correct interpretation of these causes can lead to effective repairs and restoration of the evap system. The presence of DTC P04DF may produce several identifiable symptoms. One primary indication is the illumination of the check engine light, alerting the driver to a possible fault. Poor fuel economy can also be a noticeable symptom, since an issue in the evap system may lead to a less efficient combustion process. Additionally, drivers may notice an increase in vehicle emissions, which can have environmental and legal ramifications. If these symptoms appear, it's crucial to perform further diagnostics to understand whether DTC P04DF is indeed the driving force behind them, or if another underlying issue exists within the vehicle's emission control systems. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P04DF requires confirming the fault. Start by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without the engine running. Following this, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to conduct the evap leak check module test. This test should provide critical data regarding the health of the evap system. Pay close attention to whether the results return as OK or not. A failure here suggests that there is a duplication of the fault, affirming that the evap system warrants further inspection. If the results show OK, you may look towards other parts of the emission system, or conclude that another issue may cause the symptoms. In the second troubleshooting step, focus on the inspection of the evap canister purge valve, an essential component linked to DTC P04DF. Begin by removing the valve while ensuring the connector remains attached. This process will allow for direct access to test the valve's functionality effectively. Use a vacuum pump to to apply pressure and assess whether the valve maintains that pressure. indicating it is functioning correctly. Should the valve be unable to maintain pressure, this signals that it may be stuck in either an open or closed position, necessitating its replacement. Thorough testing at this stage is vital, as the valve's performance directly impacts the overall efficiency of the EVAP system. The third step focuses on the evaporative leak check module's performance. This module's proper functionality is crucial for ensuring that the entire EVAP system operates as it should. Inspect the module for any signs of physical or electrical damage, which may interfere with its operation. Testing the module through the HDS or applying specific diagnostics will reveal whether it is reacting as designed. If evaluated properly, identify if electrical issues such as corroded connectors or damaged wiring harnesses could be causing malaise within the system. Should abnormalities be detected in this module's operation, addressing them will be paramount for effective resolution of the DTC P04DF. After completing all identified repairs for DTC P04DF, the final step involves verifying the resolutions. Initially, clear the DTC from the vehicle's onboard computer using the HDS. Subsequently, take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions to ensure system functionality and to observe if any symptoms re-emerge. Monitoring the performance of the EVAP system during the test is essential in confirming that the repairs address the fault effectively. Post-test, recheck with the HDS to assess whether any new DTCs have been logged or if P04DF has reappeared. This verification process is vital for certifying that the vehicle is in optimal running condition. Preventive maintenance is paramount to avoid the recurrence of issues that lead to DTC P04DF. Regular visual inspections of the EVAP system can help identify problems early on, such as signs of wear on hoses or connections. Monitoring for leaks around the EVAP canister purge valve and the surrounding areas is crucial, as undetected leaks can lead to significant system anomalies. Routine servicing of EVAP components, including periodic checks of the sensors and valves, can foster a healthy system and improve overall vehicle emissions performance. Educating drivers on the implications of ignoring EVAP system issues can also raise awareness and promote better vehicle care, ultimately extending the lifespan of emissions control systems. In summarizing DTC P04DF, the EVAP system plays a crucial role in maintaining vehicle emissions within legal limits. Understanding this system is imperative, as any issue can adversely affect environmental compliance and vehicle performance. Effectively diagnosing and resolving DTC P04DF involves a structured approach, including confirmations, component inspections, and thorough troubleshooting steps. Careful attention to repair validation and the implementation of preventive maintenance practices are essential to ensure the long-term integrity of the EVAP system. Ultimately, consistent oversight of these components can contribute to sustainable driving practices and minimize the vehicle's carbon footprint. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.